New Haven, get ready for an unforgettable Atlantic Zone Council coming your way. Be our guest and help support the work in Costa Rica. On Wednesday, April 29th, 2026, from 12 to 2, during our leadership luncheon. The panel speakers will feature none other than Bishop Bruce Shaw, Bishop Derek Pearson, and the presiding bishop of the Pentecostal Assemblies of the world, Bishop Theodore Brooks. Then at 7 p.m., Suffragan Bishop Walter Oliver will fire us up with a word from the Lord. Join us Thursday at 7 p.m. The guest speaker will be Bishop Derek Farmer. Come on out for power and praise. You can also support the Costa Rica Council when you register. All services will be held at Beulah Heights First Pentecostal Church, 782 Orchard Street, New Haven. The host pastor is District Elder Harold Brooks. To learn more, visit atlanticzonecouncil.org or scan the QR code. Let's make these moments legendary. The Bishop Craig High Diocesan of the Atlantic Zone Council.